Ups, if you see this post, this reading is meant to find you. Paalala lamang po, I don't message to offer my readings. And mag-ingat po kayo sa mga scammers kasi ang dami pong gumagamit mga videos ko lately. And ginagamit po siya to offer readings. And again, I don't offer readings. So going back, this reading is meant to find you. Yes, it is. And I'm very excited for this. Di ko alam kung paano. It's almost 3 o'clock in the morning. Pero iba yung energy ko and I feel that I really need to do this. I really need to read. That's why yun, tumayo talaga ako at ito, nag-read ako. So let's see. Nakakatuwa, nakaka-excite. So, what I have here in my hand right now is the King of Swords, the Magician, and Nine of Pentacles. Itong 3 cards na to, matukonsider ko kasi itong powerful combination ng intellectual authority, ng creative manifestation, and rewards false self-reliance. So, isa-isahin na natin na kapag lumalabas po ito, tinatawag nating King of Swords. Ito po ay nagre-represent ng mastery ng mind and logical reasoning mo. It is often signifies na mag-prioritize ka ng objective truth over emotional impulse. And this card also suggests when it comes to making decision, this must be based on facts and ethical principles mo. So let's go naman dito sa second card, which is the Magician. And for me, I call this master ng manifestation. Kapag lumalabas itong card na ito, this is a reminder for you that you already have what you need or the tools that you need para maging successful sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. What you need lang right now is the willpower, the desire, and the ability para ma-turn itong potential into reality. And this also reminds you to take decisive action. So let's go naman to the third and final card, which is the Nine of Pentacles. For me, I call this the garden. Kasi kapag lumalabas po ito, this represents harvest of yung persistent or effort na ginawa mo. At kapag lumalabas nga po ito, this also represents material success and stability. This card is also suggesting na i-enjoy mo yung mga accomplishment and i-savor mo yung create mo and to appreciate your own self-reliance. And so let's go now naman sa tinatawag nating overall meaning sa mga cards na ito. Ito kasing King is about mental clarity to plans. Tapos ito namang tinatawag nating Magician is the creative power to act. At ito naman po itong tinatawag nating Nine of Pentacles is a result of stability para ma-enjoy mo yung life of independence and luxury. So if this reading resonates, all you need to do is tap the screen so you can like this video and share nyo na rin itong video na ito sa iyong wall. And if you haven't followed me, please do follow me and comment anything you want to comment dyan sa comment section. And remember, no bashing. This is just a guidance and hindi po ito ang magdidikta ng buhay ninyo. Nasa inyo pa rin po ang tinatawag nating will to choose. This is Angel Card 88 saying love and light to all. And let's be a blessing to others, mga kaswerte.